Hey guys, I'm going to make fufu with okra soup. Here are my ingredients: sweet pepper, cowpeas, okra, beef, hard chicken, Creole chicken you'll say. I'm gonna blend my sweet pepper, hot pepper and tomato up together. I have some pak chow. Then I chip the cow face very fine. Then I have some whole ones to add into the pot with my meat. Then I put some of the chipped ones into it. Then I add all of my spices: garlic powder, adobo, onion powder, cube, ginger, curry powder, black pepper, and a few other spices to my dish. And this is crawfish. Add some crawfish powder. Then I poured it into the pot. Then I go ahead and blend my okra, and this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. I add the pepper. Then I go ahead and add that okra. It's kind of slimy, but that's how it's supposed to be. Then I mix it all together. Wow, this smells good, guys. This smells good. This smells really good. Then I add some water. Then I put the chipped okra inside of it. The pak chow is now being added. Then I gave it a big stir. Yes, a big stir. Let me taste. Yummy. Yes, going good. Now I'm going to make the fufu. Serve it to my husband, of course, and he is going to test it. Let's see. He's about to dip in. Oh yeah, glass is out. That means it tastes delicious. Watch him go. Yes, so these are all the ingredients. Thank you for watching.